All right, welcome back to the channel. We are starting a new series today, and we're talking about the pros and cons of living in certain communities, whether big, small, different parts of Houston. So I wanted to feature more information on some communities, especially the ones that you have inquired about or that you've seen maybe online already that you're interested in, but you haven't quite made a decision on where to go, what part of Houston to be at, what type of community you might prefer best. And so that is what this series will be. It's just information and hopefully to help you be able to make a better decision for yourself. So I'm an agent in the Houston area, and my job is to essentially help you narrow down. And if that is what you're looking to do, I'm happy to help in any way. So this is just kind of to go along with that and part of the process of narrowing down all of these new construction communities that are out there. So we're going to start with Meridiana today. I have featured them a ton on the channel. It is a highly popular community on the south side of Houston in Manville, Texas. I have featured so many builders on the channel: Perry Homes, Coventry, there's Newmark over there, all sorts of different builders. So I wanted to be able to give you some guidance on the community and maybe give you a few things to think about before you either come over here for a visit to Houston to check it out, or maybe you call or text over and get more information that way. So this is just kind of a stepping stone for you, hopefully, to learn a little bit more about communities. So we're going to talk about the pro number one for Meridiana. It is a huge community, and that is one of the reasons what makes this community so popular to begin with. It's giant, which means they've added a lot of amenities, a lot of walking trails, a lot of parks, just a lot of space in general to move around and do things. It's a lifestyle. It's definitely an environment, and the developers of this community have set it up that way extremely intentionally. So that is why people move here. They don't mind paying an HOA fee that accommodates all of the pools, the fitness centers, ways to walk around, the on-site schools, all of that stuff, to be able to get to these places in a very short period of time. You can just walk to a lot of these places, to be honest with you. And, kind of while we're talking about the pros, a lot of these pros can be cons. Not everybody's looking for a really big space. Number two pro is location. So we are maybe 20, maybe 30 minutes from downtown or the medical center, depending on when you travel. There may be more traffic on some days than others. One of the great ways these developers have really encompassed the full aspect of these communities is having these main thoroughfares through the community to get you to places like 288, the main highway around here, very quickly, even quicker. So even if you're in the back of the neighborhood, you can take main roads throughout the community to get to where you need to go faster, which I like, which is convenient. And that's one of the reasons why people move here. Another pro is all of the amenities. So if you have kids, if you have an active lifestyle and you want things to do any day of the week, then this is a community that might really pique your interest. So this is not the only community that has a ton of amenities. There are lots of communities with lots of pools, lots of walking trails, lots of things to do, on-site schools, all of it. But this is one of the main, most popular communities and the largest communities in Houston on this side of town. But as far as amenities go, you have pretty much everything that you could want. There's schools. There's pools, there's multiple pools, splash pad areas, little nook parks. We got walking trails galore, miles and miles of them. So really it makes it to where you don't have to leave the neighborhood if you don't want to and still have tons of stuff to do. The community, the HOA hosts and puts together lots of things to do during the holidays, as far as movie nights and just things to do, like they have a cafe on site. So lots of stuff to do and a way to gather. I would definitely say another pro to this community is how customized you can get with all of the builders in the community. Since there are so many of them and so many really good ones, they give you the option to customize your house to a certain degree. So you don't have just one builder, two builders, even three builders to choose from. There are a ton, and there are a ton in different price ranges too. So not only does that keep home prices up, it really establishes the value of the entire neighborhood for years to come. All right, now let's talk about some of the cons. So with every single neighborhood, there will be cons for some people. You know, that's just the way it is. There's really not going to be one community or even one house that has exactly everything that you want. And so that is where the cons come into play, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. You may not use something as much as other people or as much as other families. You may not like so much traffic. You may not like the schools, but if you still choose that community, there are still ways to enjoy the community. It's just, what is the most important thing to you? If less traffic is most important to you, then you may want to choose a smaller community. If a community has been established for a while, most likely the lowest home prices were in the very beginning of that community getting put together from the very beginning. If a community is 5 years old, 10 years old, maybe even 20 years old, there are really, really established new construction communities out there that are still building today. Chances are the home prices have gone up over time. So lots of builders will have price increases given the amount of interest that a community has, or just even inflation, or just the elevated home prices over the years. So if you've owned a home, you will know that your home value is probably higher now than it was 5 years ago. That is very similar to how it is in new construction. When a community starts out, they have deals to get the first sets of homes built and sold. Over time, they increase in price. Another con is personal preference, these communities, right? You do not have to choose to live there. People that live there want to live there and ultimately make that community home. But if living in the suburbs is not your cup of tea, they have new construction communities that are more in the city, that are smaller, that are less maintenance, that have less footprint for you as far as yard space goes to have to maintain. And that is just personal preference. Do you want an actual yard space? Do you want a community that is very large? Or do you want to be closer in to where you're working? You know, sometimes if you get out in the suburbs, you have to commute 20 minutes, 30 minutes or more, kind of depending on where you choose to live. So that is something to keep in mind. And sometimes, you know, with these new construction communities, more restaurants can be a little bit further away. But one of the things that I will say is these new construction communities, especially like Meridiana, have intentionally put more commercial, more food, more restaurants, and built closer to established grocery stores. And that is kind of a smarter way to allow people to still get to the surrounding areas, to the surrounding restaurants and grocery stores quicker. That's more appealing. But I will say they have done, for the most part, a great job. No community is perfect, and I think I have stated that as clear as I can possibly state it. But I believe that these communities serve a purpose, and there are buyers out there, you guys are out there that prefer one style or the other. There are so many things to think about when you make this kind of a decision, but these pros and cons, they really help get the conversation started, and they really kind of help you dive deeper into what you're really looking for and what's most important to you. And when you establish that and when you find that out about what you're really looking for, it makes your search easier. And that's where I come in to help you and guide you through the rest of your purchase. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you need any questions answered, if you have anything that you need, any floor plans, any builders, any other information about the community Meridiana, just let me know. And it would be an honor to help you move here.